So today I'll be unboxing this mushroom lamp, and this is an LED lamp. It's a striped lamp. So let's open it up and see how it looks like. So this is what it looks like once you put the light bulb in it, and it's so beautiful, it's so elegant. It has that mushroom dome look to it. The swirl gives it that authentic yet unique look to it. You can see how beautiful it is from the image right there, and the light gives it that warm look. So this is E12 warm white bulb that I put in it. One thing that I love about this is that you can use it. It's perfect for the bedroom, it's perfect for outside, it's perfect for so many things. So it is crafted really well. You can see the glass is well crafted. There's no scratches on it. This is perfect for the bedroom, for little girl's bedroom, grown people's bedroom. It gives a nice glow, and even the stripe, the material of the mushroom table lamp has different types of striped glass on it. As you can see, very elegant. It gives you that mid-century lighting icon that you want. You also have a control. So with the lamp, you are able to control the lamp with this switch right here. So if I turn it on, it comes on immediately, and you see how the lamp just captures everything. The mushroom desk lamp comes as low as 7 inches in height, which is great for any table or bedside top. I love especially that the swirl provides the design that makes it a beautiful and refreshing look for your bedroom.